Now, it's been a rather slow weekend for cryptocurrency, but the price action is, well, it's causing neutrality in terms of overall sentiment. We can see at the top of the screen, the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at a level of 48 neutral territory, 48 fearful territory if you come over to the Coin Stats Fear and Greed Index. And this is a sign that we're not necessarily seeing the confidence or the greed necessary for meme coin gains. But that does not stop analysts from being optimistic. As a matter of fact, the technical analysts believe that 1,600 points per coin is the next level to hit for Shiba Inu coin. So we're going to be talking about it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the videos on this channel. I have not posted on the Clay Bro channel in quite a while, and YouTube is not going to let me post on there until sometime in November or December. So I do want to say thank you guys. If you want to watch the videos, make sure to click the subscribe button on this channel so that, of course, I can continue to post and be consistent here. It says Shiba Inu coins shows strong bullish signals after breaking out of consolidation, with technical analysis pointing towards potential gains of 25% as the meme coin targets key resistance levels. It says the technical picture. Crypto Analysts is among those highlighting this weekly setup, suggesting that it could be the start of something bigger. And this is actually, guys, Shiba Inu coin has been consolidating for a very long time now. If we come out to the KCEX exchange, that's what you guys got on the screen right now. This is one of my favorite exchanges. You can see, this is the daily chart, right? Shiba Inu coin has been down here, bouncing around between 1,000 points per coin and essentially 1,500 points per coin for months. If you look at the weekly chart, take a look at this. Shiba Inu coin has essentially ripped up in 2021, right? Come back down, consolidated in this area. Ripped up, come back down. Ripped up, come back down. And we are consolidating in the same area. Now, if the pattern repeats itself, Shiba Inu coin is due for one of those rips higher. Now, we have had a lot of good news recently. The Federal Reserve lowered interest rates. Things are looking very good. We're looking at the repetition of the timeline from the 4-year bull and bear market cycles. So there's a lot of positive catalysts on the horizon that show Shiba Inu coin could be moving higher very, very soon, which is why I remain optimistic. Okay, I am hoping and I believe that we could see that move higher. Now, it's going to lead me to profit take. I'm not going to sit there and watch it fall back down. Shiba Inu coin is not one of these steady gainers from the bottom left-hand side of the screen to the upper right-hand. No, it's explosive in nature. It moves, consolidates, moves, consolidates, moves, consolidates. What's next on the list is moves. So I have been continuing to add in this consolidation phase, waiting for something very good alongside the technical analysts out there. It says the first level, 1370, the second level, 1485, and the third take profit level is 1621, representing a 25% gain from the current levels. Now, it's got a lot of factors that are contributing to its bullish momentum here, but none of which surpass the overall market. Guys, like I say, right now, the overall market is neutral. It is altcoin season. There's no denying that that's here. But what eventually happens is these altcoins become saturated. The major blue chips out there like Ethereum, XRP, Solana, BNB, and so on, they become saturated. Greed sets in. So the same way that Bitcoin became saturated or becomes saturated and people move to alts, altcoins become saturated. Major greed or extreme greed sets in and people move to meme coins. That's when the explosive rallies occur. That is when the bull market FOMO sets in. That is when major life-changing gains can be made, which is why I accumulate now. Now, I am buying out on the KCEX exchange. You guys got a link for that down in the description below if you're interested. I'm also diversifying my portfolio, so make sure to take a look at some of those cryptocurrencies in the link or in the description below if you guys are interested in grabbing some of these higher risk, higher reward plays that are out there. But let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.